What's going on, my good people? It's your big homie Leonard, man. Today is Saturday, Sneaker Con. Very excited for this event. Finna go link up with my partners first. See what they up to. Then we head to Sneaker Con. But finna get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, get dressed, and then it's on the road we go. On the road we go. Going on, man? We just touched down in Atlanta. Finna go to SneakerCon, man. See what's going on up here. See what we got. Go ahead, head in there. I just made it in a bit, man. I said I wasn't gonna buy nothing, but shit. See a lot of shit I want, so I'm going ahead and see what these prices looking like. Might cop some. Shit, trying to find the bread fold, man. If I can find for a good price there, start popping. What size you need? 11. Yeah.
We out here, we ain't buying nothing but hats. We at Sneaker Con buying hats, man. You feel me? We buying hats.
Yeah, man, I'm kind of disappointed. I ain't found what I was looking for. I started to catch myself impulse buying, or started to impulse buy. But you know, I can't do that shit right now. My boy done got down, picked up.
Little Yeezy, the 500. Impulse buy though, I ain't gonna count, but I had to show some love, man.
Yeah, I was finna get some damn phone runners, some damn 450s. I was just finna dump a lot of money off, but sure. You know, I changed my mind.
About an $80 hat. Look at he got on. Look at he got on.
Oh, I had to pick my fitted up. Had to. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, I was finna blow hella money for nothing. You feel me? But I had to get up out of there.